Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can create uh, logos on different niches and sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. You can also sell this skill on offline market. You can go to google.com and search websites related to your niche and ask them about your services that you can create a beautiful logo that enhance their website presence, and or you go to social media pages, etc. So in today's video, I will teach you about how you can create travel agency or travel company logo in Canva. So it's just take 3 to 4 minutes. So let's get started. So I'm going towards Canva. If you don't know about canva.com, canva.com is one of the best graphic designing software available online. It is very handy and easy to use. It is easy to learn. You will learn Canva in some time. And if you want to know complete about Canva, then go to my channel Iron Tech, go to the playlist section. Here I upload the complete series on Canva designing, so watch the playlist. I surely say that if you watch the playlist you will know almost everything about Canva. So let's get started. I click on create a design. Here I search for logo. This is the most widely used format, 500 by 500 pixels. So our dummy company name is John Travels. So I click on elements and I click on travel, graphics, and let's see some good. So we have to find a good logo. Yeah, that one is good, and I like this color. So that's it. After that we have to add a text in which I write John Travels, and we have to change the back color and font. It's look good, but we'll have to, yeah, it's look good. So our logo is ready, so it's good. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.